Today, all of you are in for a treat because none other than David Schwartz is going to be giving an in-depth price analysis on where he thinks XRP will be going in the future. And then we have a lot of other massive news updates for XRP when it comes to the USD stablecoin, huge developments on the XRP ledger, massive partnerships, and then we have a lot to talk about in the tech stock space as well because it's going to have some huge impacts on XRP in the future. And yeah, there's a lot of liquidity getting absolutely evaporated right now, which definitely needs our attention because yeah, there's going to be some tough things happening here for XRP, which I think you guys should prepare for so that you're not caught off guard. With all that being said though, hit the like button and let's get into the video. So number one, I want to talk about the fact that over $1 trillion was just wiped out from the US stock market. And right before this happened, you guys will not believe this, but guess who ended up selling all of their tech stocks? None other than Warren Buffett. Yeah, that guy that has trillions of dollars under management and has the largest investment firm. Yeah. He sold a number of different tech stocks, and then here we are 2 days later. Nvidia down 10%, Apple down 3%, cryptocurrencies same day getting absolutely obliterated because it follows tech stocks. Now, why is this? What's going on here? Well, the United States Justice Department submitted a subpoena to Nvidia. So Nvidia went down nearly 10% after having an unreal run, becoming the massive company that it is. And now, of course, we have all these insider traders knowing what's coming before it happens, and we're left holding the bag. Go figure, hey? But who's going to be buying back off of the dip? You best believe Warren Buffett and all these guys are doing that as well. But yeah, here's the official announcement. The U.S. Department of Justice subpoenas Nvidia. Wow. Who could have seen that coming? I guess Warren Buffett did because, well, he sold and was sitting on over $250 billion of cash 3 days before this announcement had. And everyone was wondering, why is Warren Buffett selling all his stocks? I mean, there's no news going around right now, but here we are. Now we know. And this is just a reminder, guys. Like, these people know what's happening before it happens. And if you guys honestly think that they don't get information before us, well, here is the reminder of all of that. We're just left kind of guessing what's going to be happening. But luckily, we can see when Warren Buffett sells, and we can sell at the same time if we're holding tech stocks or cryptocurrency, all of that. So that's all something to keep in mind here, guys. Now, also, some crazy stuff happening in the Bitcoin space. The FBI is currently warning that North Korea is trying to hack and steal US crypto and Bitcoin ETF funds. Yeah, I mean, North Korea have been very successful in terms of cryptocurrency hacking. Now, I don't know why the FBI is putting this warning out publicly. I mean, if I were the FBI, because this is, a federal issue, I would be contacting these organizations, individually and say, hey, by the way, let's up our security. It almost seems like something big's going to happen here and the FBI might be trying to do some insider job, but hey, that's just me. I do think that the markets right now are looking just a little bit dangerous. Now, I have some things to support this. When we look at the stochastic RSI on the weekly chart, we can indeed see that XRP is, on the overbought position. And, historically, when we look at the charts here, whenever the blue line comes up top right here, and it's in the overbought weekly position, we do see a lot of red candles that follow. So I could very well see, some big sales for XRP, which presents a really awesome buying opportunity for us. And I think a lot of what's happening here, all the fear that the feds and the U.S. Department of Justice and Warren Buffett have been creating with their antics really support what they're trying to do here. With that being said, I do think if you're dollar cost averaging, you're buying XRP every single day, 54 cents is a phenomenal buy, 56 cents is a phenomenal buy. So I would not miss these opportunities to purchase these assets. Now, I'm not doing any leveraged long positions on XRP right now. So I'm not doing leverage trading, but I'm still buying XRP every single day because I do think that the current price is a good deal if you're not leverage trading. So I just want to keep that in mind. I did close out my previous positions. I do not have a position open right now until I see the stochastic RSI daily and weekly have a bullish buying opportunity. And weekly right now is far from bullish. And if we look at Bitcoin, we can also see that Bitcoin is interesting on the weekly chart. Actually, it's actually, if you're looking for something to long trade right now, I'm going to be definitely opening up a long position on Bitcoin very soon. I'm just waiting for that daily cross right here. So yeah, in summary, I think Bitcoin's an incredibly awesome position to open up right now. XRP is a little bit more risky because of the weekly, and Ethereum is actually a decent option right now too. I mean, Ethereum's not quite below in the oversold zone yet, so this one might be worth holding off on, but nonetheless, on the weekly chart, we can see that Ethereum is an incredible good buying opportunity. So yeah, I wouldn't open a leverage position on Ethereum. I would definitely open up a leverage position on Bitcoin. 5x leverage I think is really safe for Bitcoin. XRP, different story right now. Because right now is one of the best times to be buying cryptocurrency, I'm going to be giving you guys an amazing promotional offer here from Margex, where if you guys just trade on their exchange, you'll get access to thousands of dollars in bonus funds and be able to make a lot more money on all of your trades. Also, if you use my referral code, you go to the referral section and you enter in Levi20, you will get massive discounts on all of your trades as well. And to open trades, it's very simple. If you want to buy XRP, for example, you simply go to the trading section. After you open up an account, you then choose the amount of leverage you would like to use, you put in the amount that you'd like to trade with, and from there, you simply press buy market, and there you have it. It's that simple. So earlier I did allude to a little bit of the fact that Ripple is announcing some major partnerships, and I want to dive a little bit deeper into this because we got some good stuff going on. We can see that these partnerships are saying maybe we can reclaim 65 cents. Let's see. We can see that Ripple's aggressive expansion policies are once again fueling speculation about whether the new strategy will help XRP claim a new price threshold. We can see that Ripple recently made an announcement saying they're on the ground this week in Korea and Japan, starting off with a few key announcements. And Brad Garlinghouse goes a little bit more into detail on this. He says, with new programmability in the works for the XRP ledger and the growing opportunity for Ripple's enterprise products to serve crypto native customers, the foundations of crypto infrastructure serving real world use cases are steadily becoming more robust by the day, which is cool. Now let's dive a little bit more into this announcement. We can see the AI and metaverse tech company Futureverse is partnering with Ripple Custody to securely custody its assets. Futureverse has already adopted the XRPL NFT standard. Ripple and the broader equity community are committed to bringing new programmability, including smart contracts, to the XRPL dev ecosystem in 2025. So I think that's cool. They're really putting a lot of efforts in the decentralized world of NFTs and development. And Ripple's University Blockchain Research Initiative added Korea's Yonsei University as the 58th global partner. So that's really cool. I think, when it comes to mass adoption, education is definitely a priority. So to see that these partnerships are being established is absolutely phenomenal. Also, I really want to talk about, the new era of stablecoins. This is on the official Ripple website. So Ripple USD is beginning testing officially on the XRP Ledger mainnet. This is really cool. For all of you guys waiting for the David Schwartz price prediction, that will be coming soon, so do stick around for that. But yeah, this is a really big development, obviously. The Ripple USD stablecoin is not just going to be on the XRP Ledger. I know many of you guys were confused on this, but it's also going to be available on the Ethereum network as well, guys. And that's a really big deal. So we can see that Ripple USD is currently in its beta phase and is being rigorously tested by the enterprise partners. This phase is crucial for ensuring that the stablecoin meets the highest standard of security, efficiency, and reliability before it becomes widely available and after receipt of regulatory approval. Consequently, Ripple USD is not available for purchase or trading at this time. But we're really close to getting to that point. And you can see that the token addresses are actually live. For ETH, the token proxy address, the XRP link is here, and the ERC20 token address is live here as well. Now, there's a clear demand for stablecoins. We can see that addresses a market projected to grow to over 2.8 trillion by 2028. So more and more people are using stablecoins every single day. And yeah, 2.8 trillion is massive. I mean, obviously the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization is USDT. And so, yeah, a lot more people are going to be getting into stables here, guys, and overall just trading. And this is really big for Ripple and XRP, guys, because, as it stands right now, most people hold their stablecoins on the Ethereum mainnet, but now they have another alternative, which is more trustworthy, which is more secure, which has lower transaction fees, all things that are really important for a lot of people. And so one thing that nobody really is mentioning here, and the reason why this is so big, is this will really allow the XRP ledger to be available more so and more useful to people in certain demographics in the world where they're just trying to escape their corrupt government, right? And them being able to hold, a stable coin in the USD, it is quite literally saving them from their corrupt government devaluing their existing currency in their country. And, if they have an option between Ethereum, which costs like $5 for a transaction, or they can use the XRPL, which is, pennies or less than that, then I think it's a pretty clear option. So that alone could bring in billions of dollars of just volume of people that are holding on the XRPL. Now, I want to talk about David Schwartz in an old post that he actually had here where he talked about, XRP's potential price action. And this is a while ago, but nonetheless, it's pretty cool to see because, naturally anybody who's a higher up now, Ripple can't really have these conversations with the public. So if we really want to know what they think, we have to go back to older posts to see, what their thoughts are about all this. And well, David Schwartz, he's a CTO, right? He's a chief technical officer. So there's not anyone who's really more qualified to talk about this than him. So when somebody asked him, how high do you think XRP could potentially go, best case scenario, David's answer was, it all depends how big you want to dream. What if Ripple captures Bitcoin's current market share? This is a very long time ago. He said that would be $2. Now, obviously, XRP would be like well above, $10 in the case today. But nonetheless, this is pretty cool. What if Ripple captures the value of all high friction international payments that are now occurring? He says $20. Now, this would be closer now to $100 instead of 20 because of a lot of the developments and growth of the space. What if Ripple captures the value of an increasing volume of international payments driven by the reduction in friction? Maybe $120. Now this would actually be closer to about $250 today, just based off of how, once again, this market has grown substantially. As for how likely these scenarios are though, he says, who can say? Ripple equaling Bitcoin's current market cap sometime in the near future doesn't seem any more outrageous to me now than the idea of Bitcoin selling for over $1,000 seemed to me in 2012. And these guys are just true OGs, right? And I think this is really cool. I mean, he's essentially saying that, XRP hitting over $120 per coin is a very realistic probability, even if XRP just taps into, a small amount of the overall market capitalization that it's set to do, especially today because of the digital transformations we've seen since he's made this post. So really cool stuff, guys. Overall, there's a lot to look forward to for XRP. I think it would be a shame to not buy XRP and dollar cost average into it at 54 cents. Now, if you guys are looking for a leveraged long position right now, Bitcoin is an extremely bullish buy right now. And Bitcoin, because it's so stable, I would say you could do 5 to 10x leverage pretty safely, considering the weekly stochastic RSI and the daily. And guys, if you are going to be doing that, make sure that you use my MargX link down below. If you guys do use that link, well, guess what? You're going to get massive discounts and, free crypto prizes as well when MargX is giving them out, and discounts. So it's a no-brainer. Just sign up down below, guys. And if you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to smash the like button, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.